Hey guys, welcome to 5 Acre Homestead. My name is Danny and welcome to a Quick Trick Tuesday video. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to clean our wood stove or our pellet stove glass door. So let's get into it. 3 things you'll need, guarantee you have them around the house. They're free and you don't need to use any chemicals. Newspaper, a bowl of water, and then some leftover ash that you took out of your wood stove or your pellet stove. You can also just use it when it's in the firebox itself. So as you can see, I've got a decent amount of creosote buildup on my glass door right here. All we're going to do is take our newspaper, fold it in half a couple times, dip it in our water, and dip it in our ash. Now this can get a little bit messy, but you'll end up with something kind of like this. Now all you gotta do is open up your door and scrub. Now my glass door has definitely been messier and dirtier before, but it works with any level. Just takes a little elbow grease. Reapply. Now at the end, if you have some streaks on it, I just like to take a wet piece of newspaper, no ash, just wipe it on, clean the streaks off. You've got a nice looking wood stove glass door again. All right, you guys, so there you have it. The glass door looks brand new and no streaks and it just came out really nice. Super quick process, newspaper, water, ash that you already have, and it cleaned it up perfectly. If you guys enjoyed a Quick Trick Tuesday video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to 5 Acre Homestead, and comment down below. Also check out our Instagram page at 5 Acre Idaho. All the links will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.